Hi, my name is Mark from Skyline Lofts here in Los Angeles, California. Skyline Loft hosts film screenings, corporate presentation, and events. Our clients wanted to be able to screen film screenings, and they needed a high-resolution, large screen to be able to enjoy their art. The picture quality is great. When we do the screenings, people are amazed how awesome the images look at the screen. The screen comes with two remotes, one that is RF and the other one is IR. It goes up and down very fast, so I don't even know that it's there if it's up. The screen was very easy to install. After installing two brackets on the wall, I could just clip it in and I can adjust it on the size that I needed. The screen is perfectly flat because of the tab tensions on the side of the screen. You can turn the knob on the side to make sure that the tension is strong so you can have it flat. I will definitely recommend Elite screens because the screen is beautiful and it definitely works for us.
Elite screens. Get the big picture.